wanted to share this. This is news. It came out on October 16th, 2023. We want to follow it. This is from the Texas Tribune. There's another one from PBS on this point. It says, settlement over Trump-era family separations at the border limits future separations for 8 years. This is a court settlement of a court case the ACLU filed in the Federal District of San Diego. They are talking about 3,881 children who were separated from their parents, young children separated from their families between 2017 and 2021 during the Trump administration as part of their policy to crack down at the border. What has happened is hundreds of families sued the government, and they were seeking financial compensation for the violation of their rights through that process, and they're seeking policy changes. And so there's been a proposed settlement. So the proposed settlement would allow authorization for parents of separated children to come back to the United States under humanitarian parole. This is not a green card. This is humanitarian parole for 3 years and to work using that parole document in the United States. They would receive housing aid for up to a year, and they would receive medical and behavioral health benefits designed to address some of the trauma associated with their family separation. This is a proposed settlement. Part of it also is it would, by judicial order, it would limit and prohibit the government from entering into a new policy where they separate families for a period of 8 years, okay? I don't see where in this article, maybe it's in the other article where it discusses that in more depth, which is okay, so here it's even if Trump were to win next year's election, this court would not allow the administration to recreate that type of... The 46-page settlement agreement would be valid for 8 years. It says that federal immigration officials would not be able to use the illegal entry charge against parents to separate them from their children. Immigration agents must have evidence. So what they're saying is that for the next 8 years, immigration officials must have evidence that there's child abuse happening in order to separate parents from their children. And so evidence of child abuse or that the parent has committed a serious crime before separating families, and they must document the separation in a database accessible to other government agencies. I'm excited to see this. This is news. A court settlement agreement between the Biden administration and all of these families that were separated during the Trump administration to try to do something about it. So I don't know what you think about it. You can't undo the past, but you can try to address it in a way that you can, right? Tell me what your thoughts are. Thank you for watching this. My name's Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. I'll be doing a live session about this topic. It's coming up fast, so be in communication with our team if you have questions about that, or check out our Empowered Immigrant Live episodes to be there if you want to ask your question live. But anyway, that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.